Okay, so this template is all about creating a local business style web commercial video. Obviously for local clients, things of that nature, although it could work for pretty much any type of business. Again, they're just mainly structured for local offline businesses, quick little videos that kind of represent TV commercials that they can use on their website, their YouTube channel, whatever the case may be. So these are typically 30, 60 to 90 seconds in length, and obviously they're promotional in nature, just like all marketing videos are. And here I've included a few different examples of some different types of local biz web commercials I've created in the past. So I've got a YouTube link here, and this is just a demo video, or actually once I get this ad off the screen here, you can see it. This is just a demo video that basically goes through a few different local biz style web commercials I've created for a previous product. I've used these for clients in the past, and I compiled them into a product called PLR Video Smackdown version 2. This one is, but I've got like 4 different versions. If you're interested in like purchasing some of these videos that are done for you that you can use for your clients or for your own business, I've got like 4 different packages here you can check out. These are previous products of mine that I've released, if you're interested in that kind of thing. But let's talk about how to actually write a script for a web commercial style video. So they basically start with an opener, we have some free content, and then it ends with a call to action. So these are usually created for local business clients, so they're pretty simple, and again, they're pretty short and straight to the point. Again, there's 3 key parts here, so we're going to break them all down right now. So the opener, this is where you actually grab the viewer's attention by calling them out specifically. And again, if you want to see examples of any of this stuff in action, again, check out this demo video here, and you can see all of this stuff in being used in real time. So the opener is where you grab the viewer's attention by calling them out specifically. So we'll use, as an example, we will use a lawyer web commercial. So maybe you create a web commercial for a client who owns a law firm, and maybe they're targeting people who are looking for a lawyer. So the opener could go something like, "Are you looking for a lawyer in the Miami Beach area?" So this is basically opens the video, qualifies the viewer, and kind of grabs their attention. You know, in their head, if they're looking for a lawyer in the Miami Beach area, they're going to say, "Well, yes, I am, of course." So they're actually going to be more apt to listen to the rest of your video. And this is where you continue on with your content. So this is where you actually give the viewer some free advice or helpful info on the topic. So the topic here is how to find a good lawyer. So the person listening is interested in more information on how to find a good lawyer in the Miami Beach area. And your goal is to construct this free content in a way so that it positions your client or your own business, whatever you're making this for, so it positions the call to action as the best solution for them. So example, if we're making this video to promote a client's law firm, then we want to position this content in a way so that it positions our client's law firm as the obvious choice when picking a lawyer in the Miami Beach area. So just some examples here. Again, the video would start out, "Are you looking for a lawyer in the Miami Beach area?" And then the content would go, "There are a few important things to consider when looking for the right lawyer." And then you could go on to give some free content and tips on things they should look out for when picking a lawyer, how to find the right type of lawyer for what they need, and stuff like that. And then at the end of that, you could, or that's where you would actually throw in your call to action. And again, I've got a typo here, so I'm just going to fix that. Positioned. Okay. So if you position the free content correctly, now you can smoothly transition into the introduction of your call to action. So again, if you've done this right, if you've positioned your content correctly, you will set yourself up for introducing the call to action, positioning the product or service or the call to action that you're trying to get them to take. So an example is, well, Bob's lawyer is, or Bob's law firm in Miami actually specializes in this kind of law. Or if you're looking for free advice from a certain type of lawyer, we can help. And then you could actually tell them to contact you or contact your client. Tell the viewer what to do next. For example, to learn more, contact us today by calling 1-800 and then obviously the phone number, or by visiting us online at www.mywebsite.com. So just to recap this really quickly, this is a pretty simple one, but let's just recap it for an example here. The video would start off, are you looking for a lawyer in the Miami Beach area? That qualifies the viewer. And then you go on to give some free content, free advice on how they can find a lawyer in the Miami Beach area. And again, you construct this content specifically so it positions your client as the obvious solution. So when you bring in your call to action, you say, oh, by the way, if you're actually looking for a lawyer that specializes in all these things, or we actually meet all these all these criteria we just talked about, we actually meet those criteria. So give us a call at 1-800 whatever. So that's basically it for the local biz style web commercial. Works great for all types of offline businesses, local clients, and again, it could also be used for web businesses. It just could, obviously would need to be adapted a little bit. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next video.